Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of the Cooking Goth, and tonight I'm going to teach you guys how to make circus peanut salad. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that little bell for the notifications. And if you like this video, hit the like button and please comment and share. And here we go. I look like Marilyn Manson in a neck brace. And here's what you're going to need. 41 to 44 circus peanuts. 6 ounces of orange flavored gelatin. 16 ounces of crushed pineapple, 8 ounces of whipped topping, 1/4 of a cup of hot water, and finally, 3/4 cup of boiling water. First, chop up 32 of your circus peanuts and then pour on your hot water, and then after that, melt in your microwave on 1-minute intervals until fully melted. Next, pour in your orange gelatin into your boiling hot water until that's all melted also, and then stir in your circus peanut diarrhea. Now, in a separate bowl bigger than mine, combine your crushed pineapple and your whipped topping, and then once you get all that stirred together, go ahead and combine all your ingredients and then dump it into a greased 9-inch pan. Finally, set it in your refrigerator covered with tin foil, and then once it's all firm, go ahead and decorate it with your peanuts. And once you've got it all decorated with your peanuts, this is what it should look like if the foil doesn't touch it. All right, the moment of truth, everyone. The pineapple definitely is the flavor that you taste the most. In a weird way, you can still kind of taste the circus peanuts in this. It's kind of weird. It's spongy. It's Jell-O-y. For any of you who haven't tried circus peanuts before, circus peanuts. They taste like artificial banana. Also, if you do cover up your salad, I use that term loosely, make sure that it does not go on top of your salad, because it did on mine and I had to try and smoothen it out. I got this recipe from Emmy Made in Japan on YouTube, who got it from southernliving.com. But that's all I got for you guys tonight. So have a great night, everyone. I'm getting wet. I gotta go in.